All right, and now we're on page 866. So let's take a look at the top. It says polygon. A closed plane shape with 3 or more sides is called a polygon. Okay, so it has to be closed. Think about it like a fence or like a yard that you might put up for a baby or for your puppy, and can't have any openings or the puppy might get out. So it has to be closed, and it has to have 3 or more sides to be a polygon. So these are polygons, these are not polygons. Why is this one not a polygon? Because it's not closed. You see it has this opening here? And why is this one not a polygon? Because it has curved sides. Polygons have to have straight sides. Angle. So that's the definition of polygon. Angle, here's the definition of angle. Polygons have angles. They have the same number of angles as sides and vertices. Okay, so the vertices are the little points. And the angles is the space between the two sides when it comes to that point. And the sides are the straight lines that connect. So the triangle has 3 sides, and it also has 3 angles and 3 vertices. A right angle forms a square corner. A square has 4 right angles. The pentagon below has 2 right angles. So square corners, think about it like if I put a Post-it note in that corner, it would, the angle would be that size. Those are right angles. So the square, you see it has 4, and this pentagon has 2 right angles. And then this angle up here is probably smaller than a right angle, and these are bigger than a right angle. Do you understand? Show me. How many angles does this shape have? How many right angles does this shape have? Name the shape. So first, let's count how many angles it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to type, this shape has 6 angles. Oops, angles. Keep typing angels by accident, angles. This shape has 6 angles. And now how many of them are right angles? How many do you think look like they're square? Like if you took a Post-it note and you put it in the corner, how many would be the same size angles? I think 2. I think these 2 right here. So I'm going to write 2 of the angles are right angles. Hey, there's that IGH spelling pattern that we've been working on. Now name the shape. Okay, so it has 6 angles and 6 sides. What name do we give a polygon that has 6 angles and 6 sides? Do you remember the one that has the X? Hexagon, 6. Hexagon, they both have X's in them. It's called, all suffix ed, called a hex, x, a schwa a, gon, period. All right, guided practice. Write the number of angles and then name the shape. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles. Do you remember what that's called? If you don't remember, you can turn back to those pages we did yesterday. When you know it, say it out loud. Pentagon. Okay, I'm going to move myself here so we can see this one. Okay, let's count the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. That's 5 again. So what did we just say was 5? Pentagon. How about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 angles, 6 sides, hexagon. And the last one over here, how many angles? 1, 2, 3. And 3, do you remember what 3 is? Which prefix do we use? Triangle. All right, you can begin your independent work now. Good job today.